Hey everyone. If Amazon Prime Video is not working for you, don't worry. Yeah, this is actually a pretty common issue. In this quick guide, I'll walk you through simple fixes that usually get Prime Video back up and running in just a few minutes. First, check your internet connection. Prime Video needs a stable connection to stream properly. Try opening another website or app to confirm your internet is working. If the connection feels slow, restart your router and modem. Then try again. Next, close the Prime Video app completely and reopen it. Yeah, this clears temporary glitches. If that doesn't help, restart your device, as whether it's your phone, smart TV, or computer, and then launch Prime Video again. Sometimes the problem isn't on your side. Prime Video servers might be down. Open a browser and search for Prime Video server status or check outage websites. If there's an outage, you'll just need to wait until Amazon fixes it. Now, make sure your Prime Video app is fully updated. Outdated versions can cause playback errors. Head to your device's app store, search for Prime Video, and install any available updates. If you're still having trouble, try clearing the app cache. This removes corrupted temporary files. Go to your device settings, open the Apps section, find Prime Video, and clear the cache. On some devices, you may also clear data. Another quick fix is signing out of your Prime Video account and then signing back in. Yeah, this refreshes your account session and often resolves playback problems. And uh, if you're using a VPN or proxy, try turning it off. Prime Video sometimes blocks streaming when it detects VPN usage. Disable it temporarily and check if the video plays normally. And that's it. Yeah, those are the fastest ways to fix Amazon Prime Video when it's not working. If one method didn't help, just move down the list and you should be back to streaming in no time. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.